Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today you're just gonna get a very lazy video where I show you what I'm playing around with. It is a playhouse, so I am playing around today, so yeah. First I have tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 2 different kinds. The one in the middle is different from the 2, and never mind. Over here we have 2 cucumbers and a pepper thingy in the middle, and they're doing quite well, so that's okay. The bunker is not doing anything. I have the solar panels up for the power system in the bunker. Really should improve on this. But today I've been messing around with the pool. I have a new gadget. Thank you, Mom. It's working. So yeah, this thing is a little thingy that solar powered, goes around and make a little sprinkler system. Weird as heck. But I am filling it up with water, and my well in the basement isn't very high at the moment, so I had to give it a break because it was running out of water. And I have some sand in the well in the basement, as I have filtered this year. Improvement. So you can see that there is a sand in this filter. So yeah, it's not optimal, but now I gotten rid of it. I don't have to get rid of the sand in the pool. So I had a lot of stuff. If you saw the video where I readied it for winter, I just filled it up with stuff, and that stuff is all over the place. Boxes and the box for the filter. And the filter is actually running over here. I've had a ton of trouble getting this up and running. First thing, the water level isn't really high enough yet, so the filter is higher than the water, and it doesn't like that. So it's only ever so slightly running filter fluid. The water runs in through a slit in this pipe down at the bottom, and then it runs out through the filter and out again. So that's perfect. Right now it's being powered from the Blue Yeti, which is getting a lot of good advertisement lately. I should probably leave a link in the video for the Blue Yeti. So yeah. Also, I have, if you saw the video where I made the pool, I actually put in an electric heater, like a long wire at the bottom of the pool, which is a resistor, and you can power that and it will heat up. And I thought, well, what the heck, we're gonna try that as well. So when I power this, you will see, maybe you will see, yeah, you can see that there is 132 watts coming in from the solar panels, and it's drawing like 267 watts, and that's the heating element in the floor that is heating up. There's a lot of concrete and stuff that needs to be heated before it makes any considerable difference on the water. But yeah, I am trying that. It's coming from down there. This wire is coming out of there, and I made so that it goes onto another wire. So yeah, it's a little bit harder to connect it because I want to make sure that I'm the one doing it. So yeah, I'm playing with that. I do actually have a temperature measurement thingy down here. Let's see if we can grab that. Oh shit, it's wet over there. I don't want to get wet yet. So, temperature is, what is that? That's 17 degrees, I'm guessing. It was 16 degrees when I put it in the water, so it has been warming up, but probably the sun. And I also expect that this thing is helping to heat the water. it's a black surface and it's putting water on a black surface and replacing it all the time. Actually, that should work really well. Oh, and this is the thing that I got it from my mom yesterday. Solar Springman, solar fountain something. It comes with different plastic things that you can put on what you want it to look like. I just picked one and had a go with that. And I've been messing around all morning to get this up and running. This filter thing to pre-filter the water from the basement took a long time for me to figure this out, how to get that. And yeah, it's quite an invention here. So the sand goes through the filter, and I made a little extra filter with a cloth that is coiled up, and so it helped a little bit. The water is not as yellowish as it was last year. The filter on the other side will sort that out. This one, it filters out all the stuff that I don't really want in there, this color. I had some really nice blue water last year, so it does work. Oh, and I put the LEDs in. We aren't high enough for that yet, but there is an LED strip all the way around at the bottom, and I have tested it. It works. I need to connect something to it right there and figure out how to make it kind of water okay-ish. If it breaks, it breaks, and we'll fix it again. It's not a big deal. Also, up on the roof, I have actually completed putting solar panels up there. I still need to do a lot of cabling, but with the sun on all the panels, I don't want to be messing around. It is only 3 panels in series, but that is still almost 150 volts DC. So yeah, that's I have 15 panels that are the same, and then you can see over here there is 3 panels. Those, and they're another brand, and yeah, so there is almost 5,500 watts there. So I'm still messing about with this, getting this to come out all the way over there is difficult. So I've been trying to, that's why the water thingy is laying there, to push it down ever so slightly, and well, in the middle is just not giving anything. So yeah, that's I think I have to do some overpressure to have it do equally-ish. So, and it's leaking everywhere down there. So yeah, but it is heating up the water. Now we are up to 18 degrees. I've been messing around with this for half an hour or so. So a little thingy here. Funny enough, it's very good at staying in the sun and not going into the shadow much. So that is funny. Okay, so now we are pumping out some water from the basement. I just started it, so you can see how there is sand in here, and yeah, it filters that out, so at least I don't get sand into the pool. And it does weird stuff when the sun disappears on it. So this pump over here is teasing me right now. It stopped. Now I have disconnected it, but it was pulling like 110 watts. So I think there might be something not so good with it. That's irritating. That was expensive enough. It wasn't a cheap one. Expensive, and then expensive, it was like 100 kronas or something. So okay, unfortunately this pump has decided to die, so I probably haven't kept the receipt for it, so that's just a waste. Okay, I have put that on really well. Yeah. Okay, it's getting late and the sun has been hiding behind some well, it hasn't been out, so I packed up for today. Well, it's getting kind of late and I realized I have forgotten to get anything to eat today, so I need to do something. And I put a piece of plastic on here and all kind of stuff on top, just so that I don't get too much debris in here. I do have a cover for it, but well, it doesn't. It blows off really quickly. I guess the cover is as good as the plastic, but I was actually hoping that the plastic could sit there and work like a greenhouse and heat up the water a little bit. Well, with all the crap that I put on top of it, that's probably not gonna work. But yeah, bit of a random video here. Well, I guess it's part of the pool videos, but yeah, this is what I like to do when I don't have to do anything. Just mess around with little projects and do a little bit here and do a little bit there, and yeah, I really enjoy that. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.